Hello woolly clubbers, we're back again, ready to do the next step. Okay, in this tutorial you will need a big-eyed needle like a darning needle like that. Okay, because you need to get this wool through the eye. Okay, it's called an eye. If you haven't got one of those, then you're going to have to use, whoopsie-daisy, a smaller sewing, why is it not showing? Sewing needle. Okay, like that. And normal thread. Okay, so I'll show you with the darning needle, then I'll show you with cotton thread how to do it with both. So first of all, we're going to thread that on with, and you're going to, here's the right side, the nice smooth side, that's the wrong side or the bobbly side. Okay, the bit where you can see, that's the wrong side, the right side is the neat side. So you want to turn it inside out so you've got the wrong side showing. Okay, and then you're going to, it's called overstitch. You don't want a running stitch, you want an overstitch. So what you're going to do is, you're just going to go through the two loops. If I'll show you here, there's a loop there and a loop there, and you're just going to push them together and go through the two loops. All you're doing is sewing it nice and neatly together. Don't pull it too tight, just enough, just enough to finish that edge, the end. Alright, I'm just going to do another stitch there. Sorry, I'm not showing you very well, I'm looking at it myself. Okay. When you've done that now, you need to do a knot. Several people have different ways of knotting. This is my way. Okay, just find any little space there is, little space. I've done a little bit there. And then you pull it through, and there's a loop there. Go through that loop, pull it, done. Okay, just thread the wool through a bit of space, just to weave. It's called weaving in the ends. So that's that bit done. Chuck that bit away. Now, same with the cream. You can use these nice long bits of ends here to finish it off with, or you can cut off from your cream or whatever colour you've used to sew that next bit. I'm going to show you with cotton and thread for those who haven't got a darning needle. I need more thread than that. So first of all, I've got black cotton, but obviously you'll need cream cotton. I haven't got my cream cotton ready. Didn't think of that. Never mind. I'll show you. If I can thread it. So I'll thread the needle first. That's it. Oh, so it's really getting worse. Right. Put it right through, so you've got double the length, double the string, and right at the end you knot it. Lick your finger and thumb, wrap it round once, twice. Now with your thumb, twist off the cotton and grab it and pull it. You get a little knot. There are other ways of doing it, I'm sure you've got your own way, but that's just one way. Right, now all you're going to do is sew this bit together. So again, you've got the two sides you need to sew together. So pull that through. Now this cotton's going to go right straight through. So what you have to do is open it up. That's it, and go through the loop. So you make a little loop there. Okay, and then you just stitch all the way through, going over and over. Oops, not doing what I'm doing anyway. And over. Okay, just go over and over and over all the way. Oops. Gosh, I've made a right mess of that. You'll do better than me, I'm sure. There we are. Now, we have got to put the zip in. Okay. So the zip has got to open obviously on the right side, and we've got this on the inside. So we're going to sew. I'll show you. Here's the zip. There's the right side, and here's the wrong side. We have still got our needle and thread there. So you're going to put the zip bit, open it up because it'll be easier, I think. Or should we do the end first? No, we won't. We'll do the end first, I think. Okay, so I'm going to knot this off first. So let me show you how to knot this off. So again, go through, pull it slowly. When you've got a loop like I have there, go through that loop. Oops, try not to get tangled up like I am. Pull it tight and just do that another time. Go a little bit, pull it through, and then find a loop, go through that loop and pull, and then snip off. Scissors. I'm going to go back to my darning needle because I find that easier, but obviously you can use cotton because I've shown you how to do it now. So I'm going to go back to my darning needle, and I've got enough on this to use this bit, but if you haven't got enough, cut some off your wool. Okay, now again we need the nice side to be on the outside and the wrong side to be on the inside. So, and this is obviously wider than that is round. Okay, that's not showing you very well. This is too close. This is wider than this is round, and that's got to sew together. So we're going to start by putting the right side, the nice V shape bit, onto the V shape bit. So V against V. So you've got the two right sides together, and I'm going to start right at this corner. Okay, there's the corner of my, and I'm going to start right there. I'm going to put that through there. Okay. Now, because this is wider, I'm going to push it slightly to make it smaller so that it will fit all the way around. So while I do that, I'm going to push it together and hold it, and then I'm going to over sew. The two seams together. Little stitches, not great big gaps in them, because otherwise you'll have your pencils falling out. Right, now again, because it's quite loose, I'm going to push it together and stitch it on. Nice little stitches all the way around. And then again, I'm going to push it together and sew all the way around. And then I'm going to push it together and sew all the way around. Oops. Now don't get too short with your ending bit, because I'm getting quite short. I'm not going to be able to knot if I go too far. So I need to finish. So I'm going to do a little tiny incision there. Just put a loop like I've showed you and tighten it, and then weave the ends in nice and neatly. Snip that bit off because I need some more because I'm not finished yet. I'm going to cut some more off my, oops, don't need much. And it'll also show you how to add when you haven't got it attached to a piece of the wall there, you know, to the pattern. So again, I'm going to put that through and that through, like so, Now I'm going to knot it up together. That's just simple as that. Right, now we're going to go up again. I'm going to push that together, and then I'm going to try and weave that end in as I sew. So as it's luckily it's catching it. Can you see it's catching it? It's going to pull it down and hide it eventually. And again, push it together, going all the way around. That's it, catch it, that's it, caught it. And we're going to go all the way round until we get to there. I'll carry on. Might have to do another video with the zip because this is taking longer than I thought. Right, push it, squeeze it together, and sew, over sew, and over sew, over sew, over sew. Oops, yeah. And then make sure I've got enough to go to the end there. I have, look, it's got to meet all the way around to the other side. So now I'm just going to sew that all in place. Over sew. I'm going to keep saying it, sound like I'm singing it. Come on, that's it. Keep going all the way around. Nice little stitches, not big gaps, because otherwise your pencils will fall out the bottom. So nice little stitches all the way around. And right, now where I started, now I'm finishing here. Just going to get that string out of the way, that bit of wool out of the way. Push those bits together, and now I'm going to sew and sew. And now I'm just going to quickly knit those two together. Luckily, I've got this bit of string here, so I can just knot those two together. Like so, and that's that done. Snip that off. If you want to weave the ends in, let me just show you what it will look like when we turn it the right way. So that's the ending. Oh, I've got a gap there. I missed a bit. So I've got to go back and stitch that bit up because I missed that bit. So that's what it should look like. Let me just finish up because that's annoying me. No, I'll do that when I've stopped the video. So there we are. We've sewn the front and the back. Okay. Now all we need to do is do the zip, and I'll do that on another video. Okay. Take care. See you soon. Bye.